Greetings and anchors away here from Southampton, England. This is your Professor John Borg coming at you on the eve of embarking on a voyage of discovery and learning. How much more cheesy can that get? What I'm getting ready to do is this thing called Semester at Sea, and I will be at sea the entire semester, but I'll be coming live to you, hopefully, from different ports from around the world, around the Atlantic world, and the ship that I'm going to be on is right behind me. This is the MB Explorer, the ship of this Semester at Sea experience, which is a floating college. Look it up, semesteratsea.org. Now, this ship is about 185 meters long, about 35 meters wide. I think that's about 550 feet by about 100 feet. Just to give you a sense of scale. It has 8 decks. It holds about, I think, about 1,000 or so people. So it's not one of these ginormo cruise liner deals. This thing has a max capacity of about 700 students, 100 to 200 faculty and their families, and the rest made up of the people that actually run the ship, support staff, and the people that steer and do all the real work. Now, this entire semester, while you're in Blacksburg taking World Regional Geography, I've set up some things for you, some readings, some online pre-recorded video for you to watch and take quizzes on. Hopefully you're going to have a great football season, have a good time while you're there. I'm also going to be coming to you live as much as possible from these different ports and creating videos from these different parts of the Atlantic world to send back to you to share this experience and also to create more quiz materials, more point opportunities for you. Where are we going to? Well, as I suggested, we're starting here. We're embarking on this voyage in Southampton, England, in the great state of the United Kingdom, and Southampton is about southwest of London, I don't know, like an hour, and it's kind of infamous. This is the actual place where the Titanic launched from on its one voyage. I hope our voyage is going to end much better. In fact, I'm sure it will. This place is also kind of infamous that the Nazis bombed the hell out of this. If you look at this place on a map, we're just across the English Channel from northern France, Nazi-occupied northern France during the war, and so the Blitzkrieg really kind of leveled this place. I think they were launching rockets from the Normandy coastline straight over, much less the aerial bombardment from airplanes. But anyway, I digress. Where are we going on this whole semester at sea? Starting here, leaving, I believe, August 24th. Tomorrow, we're out. Anchors away, cast off the lines. We'll be heading then to St. Petersburg, Russia, then to Hamburg, Germany, then to Antwerp, Belgium, then to Le Havre, France, just across the English Channel, then to Dublin, Ireland, then to Lisbon, Portugal, Cadiz, Spain, Casablanca, Morocco, a couple of different ports in Ghana, the one main one just outside of Accra, the capital, then down to South Africa, then across the Atlantic to Buenos Aires, Argentina. Then we'll progress up to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Oh man, that's gonna be hot. Then to a smaller coastal town called Salvador in Brazil, and we'll end up about 4 months from now in Havana, Cuba. How did that happen? I don't know, but I'll say hello to Fidel for you. And that means we'll be getting back to Fort Lauderdale, Florida on December 16th, I believe. So that is where I'll be at. I'll be trying to keep in touch with you as much as possible, not just with pre-recorded podcasts from different places, but also if we can get a good connection, we'll go live for a little Q&A from wherever we're at on planet Earth. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a great time. Check out Semester at Sea, and we'll see you online.